This is problem 1 for grade 3 for April 27th. It says, find the area of the figures below. Remember to label your answers using square units. So our first figure. So we can count squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that is 12. And we can't forget we're talking about square units. Hard to read on this. Square units. And counting squares is a little slow, we said, so we know we can also use multiplication. We can count the side length. So 1, 2, 3. There's 1 here, 2, and then 3. So 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know that 3 times 4 equals 12. I can skip count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12. Good. So 3 times 4 is another way to find the area. Let's move on to our next shape. So we can count squares or we can multiply. So I'll start by just counting the squares. I'm going to count the rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So my total is 28 square units. That kind of took a while, not gonna lie. I'm gonna show you multiplication. I kind of hinted at it on the side because you can see I wrote 7, 14, 21, and then 28, which was a little messy, but 28. So I know that this side length is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to represent that here. 4 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can also solve this by doing 4 times 7. And to confirm that 4 times 7 is 28, you can count the squares or you can skip count. We count 7, 14, 21, 28. Great, that was 4 groups of 7. So 4 times 7 is 28. Our final answer is 28 square units. Let's do the next one. I'm going to change colors. Let's use some pink. So we, again, can count our square units one at a time, but we said that was slow. So let's this time just try to use multiplication. So I'm going to find the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is this length, and then the width, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can solve 5 times 5 as 5 times 5, and I know my 5s skip counting. I'm going to skip count by 5 times, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So the area for our last figure is 25 square units. And I can also just go back and check my work. I'm just going to erase kind of like the writing here just so we can have a clean slate. And I'm just going to count the squares to confirm because it's nice to make sure I'm doing my math correctly. And good mathematicians always check their work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So my answer is 25 square units. So we can use multiplication or we can count squares. It seems like multiplication is a little faster and a good trick if you want to be a little more efficient.